Before we get into today's video, guys, please make sure to go ahead and smash that subscribe button to stay up to date with all my amazing Minecraft videos. Hey guys, welcome back to another video with your main man, Smooth Marky, and in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys 5 absolutely amazing tips and tricks you probably did not know you could do in Minecraft. That's right guys, I'm going to be showing you guys 5 absolutely amazing tips and tricks you probably did not know you could do in Minecraft until today, because I'm actually going to be showing you guys in today's video. That's right guys, so starting off with the first one guys, it actually has to do with hiding your most valuables. That's right guys, which my most valuables is a block of diamond guys, because that's really valuable. That is really valuable, and if you leave this thing out in the open, it will get stole. That's right guys, somebody will steal it, they will rip you off guys, but the best way to hide it is to either use signs or to use banners guys, and put it on the entrance just like that guys, and then just go ahead, whip out some paintings and place them right over top of it, just like that guys. Just place a bunch of paintings just so it's all kind of camouflaged out, and now we can go ahead and walk straight through the painting. Ain't that cool guys? That is really cool, and your block of diamond is going to stay safe guys. I've actually had a few of these ripped off when I left them out in the open, but since I've been doing this, I haven't lost one of them guys. But another really cool way to hide your stuff guys is to actually make a safe. That's right guys, you're going to need oak leaves. You want to place one on that side, then one in the middle, and then one on each side, just like that right there guys. Then go ahead, jump on up and place one row right there guys, and then place one minecart with a chest right on top of that guys, and then put your most valuables in it guys, which my most valuable thing is my banners. I guess that's my most valuable thing, and the reason I put oak leaves on each side is because you can actually move around and the chest won't move guys. If you don't have the oak leaves there is a chance that the minecart will actually fly off the row, so you want to make sure that you do that guys. But now we can actually access it from the inside. That's right guys, and now it's a safe in the wall guys, and nobody's ever gonna think to look there guys. Nobody's ever gonna think to look there. This is a really good way to hide your most valuable stuff. But another really good way to hide your stuff guys is actually under lava. That's right guys, you can actually place chests under lava and then you can use them. That's right guys, you can actually still use them even though they're under lava guys, and nobody's ever gonna look under lava, because nobody can, because if they try to swim in it they will get burnt and they can't see through it guys, so there's no way they're gonna find your chest. Another really cool way to hide your stuff though guys is in water. That's right guys, you can hide all your valuables in water and chances are nobody's going to rip you off guys. I've done this multiple times and nobody's ever ripped me off guys. But another really good way to hide your stuff, this is probably the best way. This is probably the best way to hide your stuff and also to hide you. Now what I do is, you don't see anything, do you? Right now you don't see anything. But if we actually go ahead and we head around to the back, there's actually a lever. And if we flip it, boom guys, it opens up our secret base. That's right guys, then we can go ahead, head down into our secret base, and boom, right there's our block of emerald. And ain't that beautiful? Ain't that absolutely beautiful guys? This is how I hide all of my best stuff, and this is also how I hide myself when people's after me, because a lot of times people will be after you and they'll be trying to beat you up and whatnot, and sometimes you have to hide yourself guys. But the best thing about this is it's easy to make guys. It's really easy to make. It takes no redstone at all guys. All it takes is a sticky piston and a lever guys. That is it. That's all you need, is a sticky piston and a lever, and boom, you got it made. And all you do is flip it and it closes, and then you flip it back and it opens guys, and that's all you have to do, and bada boom bada bang, you have a secret base guys. That is absolutely amazing. I do suggest putting some oak leaves around this though guys, just so nobody finds it. You don't want anybody to find this lever guys, and if you put the oak leaves over it, nobody will ever think to look behind the oak leaves guys. And this is a really good way to hide your most valuable stuff, and also to hide yourself if you have people after you, which I have had people after me a ton ton of times, guys. And I always go back to my secret base and I hide. And they're like, oh my god, we gotta get him. He burnt down my house, or he blew my house up, or something, guys. Which most of the time I didn't even do. Somebody else did, and they was saying it was me, guys. Most of the time it wasn't even me. And most of the time it wasn't my fault, because they told me to do it, and I did it, and then it didn't work out, and then they was like super mad at me, and they was all trying to attack me. But if you guys did enjoy this video, which I know you guys did, please make sure to like, comment, and most importantly, smash that red subscribe button. And until next time, thanks for watching, guys. Bye.